Hello students, today we are going to start our second semester. In this second semester, the first lesson or prose is 1.4 Pillars of Democracy, and it is written by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So in this first part, we are going to learn short information given about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and after that there is given short information about this lesson that we are going to learn in this first part. Now listen carefully. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891 in the town of Military Cantonment. Military Cantonment, it means military quarter. Military quarter. So, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891 in the town, and that town was military cantonment. It means that was there were military quarters and military people were living there in that town, and that town is Mau. Now Dr. Babasaheb Nagar. Now this town Mau today recognized as Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Nagar in Madhya Pradesh, and this town is in Madhya Pradesh in today. He got his degree from Elphinstone College, Mumbai. So Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar got his degree from Mumbai's Elphinstone College. He subsequently it means immediately after that, he subsequently obtained the doctorate from Columbia University, USA, and London School of Economics. So, after getting that degree from Elphinstone College, Mumbai, immediately after that, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has got the doctorate degree from Columbia University, USA, and London School of Economics. He also have assigned it means to appoint or given a particular task. The big and challenging task of framing the Constitution of India in the capacity of it means in the in authority of in the capacity of chairman of the drafting committee. So immediately after that, there were a big task was given to Dr. Ambedkar, and he was appointed as the chairman of the drafting committee, and that drafting committee was going to make the Constitution of India, and he was the chairman of that drafting committee. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously. Posthumously it means it means rewarded after death for his dedication and commitment. Commitment it means sense of responsibility for the welfare of the country. So he was given, Dr. Ambedkar was given Bharat Ratna award, and that was given after the death of Dr. Ambedkar to him. Why? Because whatever the dedication Dr. Ambedkar has shown or given for the welfare of common people, welfare of this country, for that Bharat Ratna award was given to Dr. Ambedkar. Next paragraph. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has laid emphasis on the values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Fraternity means the state or sense of being brothers. So Dr. Ambedkar has given more pressure, more stress on the values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Fraternity it means the state or sense of brotherhood. It means all the Indians should think themselves that they are brother. According to him, this principle will make India a strong nation. He opens. So according to Dr. Ambedkar, these three principles, liberty, equality, and fraternity, will make India a strong nation. He opens. Open it means give opinion. That hero worship. Hero worship it means hero worship it means excessive admiration for someone. According to him, he opines that hero worship is sure road to degradation. Degradation it means road to cause to lower quality. So according to Dr. Ambedkar, if you are giving more importance to any particular person, any politician, so automatically after few days that politician becomes very strong person, and with the power he rules on you, he rules on the country, and you have to follow all his rules. He becomes certainly he becomes king of that nation. He thinks himself that he is the king of that nation. But in India, there is no king. In India, the nation is run by the common people, not by any politician. So don't give more admiration, more value to any politician. That is wrong. If you are doing so, then you are destroying your country. After that, Dr. Bose Ambedkar said, and the eventual it means at last, dictatorship it means one person rule over the country with power and force and collapse of a nation. So, if you are giving more pressure to any politician, so automatically that politician will become powerful, and with the power, with the forcefully, he will control on you, he will rule on you, he will rule on all the nation, and automatically there will be the degradation, suddenly fall down of our democracy, of our nation. So today we are going to stop here, this part ends here. Thank you very much. Have a good day to all of you.